Young is going to try to take off and tie the game.
He's actually one of those people who watch him attach his completely faster. I got a fancy.
Yeah. I'm a dog person. Make some noise if you ever seen a dog before.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
Because if it doesn't go well, I just jump out the fucking window.
It's a lot more fun going on over there. You can't deny that. I kind of wish they left the music going, to be honest with you. Coming your way. Keep it going for your next comedian. He's a swell, swell fella. He performs all over Long Island, New York City. Keep it going for the wonderful Jack Adam, ladies and gentlemen. Jack Adam.
All right, keep it going for Billy Geyer, everybody. I got this cool little camera in middle school, and I pulled it out of the drawer today, and I'm having a good time with it. It's interesting.
Nice.